So if you're looking for a backyard fire pit this fall, a lot of what you'll have to take into consideration is, do you want wood burning or gas? Those are usually your two options. There are some municipalities, if you decided wood is what you want, you'll have to check on those. There's some municipalities that you'll have to stay at least 30 feet away from the structure, or a wood structure, which could be your house. Maybe you've got a deck that expands past the house, and they would want to see that fire pit 30 feet from the furthest point of the house. So that's some things to take into consideration. We do a lot of gas fire pits. We'll do a gas burner set, generally backfill with either a log set, lava rock, or glass. And those are the three options. The specifications on those are usually 10 feet from the house. They consider those to be similar to like your gas grill. So same burner almost, just so the requirement for that is about 10 feet from the house.